Hi. For crypto exchange, navigate to Crypto Exchange from the menu. Select the fiat account you would like to exchange from. Enter the amount. Select the crypto wallet you would like to use. Please specify the purpose of converting. Select the intended use of the converted crypto. Click on Exchange. Enter the authenticator OTP and verify. The transfer has now been completed successfully. You can also convert cryptocurrency to a fiat account in a similar way. To view recent transactions, navigate to Accounts. Select the transaction you made. You can also download the payment receipt.
Thank you for watching. For more details, visit metaxpayments.com.